The shear strength here, formula is given, VDSB equals to, okay, so the formula is given here, VDSB equals to, the formula is given in IS 800, FUB by root 3 equals to NN into ANB plus NS into ASB whole divided by gamma MB. We have this formula in the IS 800. Here FUB is 400 MPa, gamma MB, that is partial safety factor for the bolts, 1.25. Now NN and NS, it is in double shear, so we need to find the values of NN and NS. These angles are like this, it is like this. So when you provide a bolt here, say when you are providing a bolt here, this bolt will have threads here like this, and it will have shank. So for a bolt, for a single bolt, it will be having threads like this. You may have seen it. Now we need to find the number of shear planes here. When we are putting a bolt here, we need to find the locations wherein this bolt will fail by shear. So here in this problem, we have two angles. When it is loaded to stress, here the bolt will fail either in this direction, or the bolt will fail at this location. It will fail either at this location or it will fail at this location. So now if you are keeping the bolt like this in such a way that at this location there are threads and at this location there is shank, that means NN is number of shear plane in thread is 1, number of shear plane in shank is 1. Or if you are putting the threads in both the shear plane up to here, in that case NN will be 2 and NS will be 1. So like this you have to take. So here we will take NN equals to 1 and NS equals to 1. Substituting all the values in VDSB, we will get VDSB equal to 103 kilonewton. So this is the strength of the bolt in shear. That means when the load reaches 103 kilonewton, the bolt will fail in shear. Now let us find the bearing strength. So bearing strength as per IS 800, formula is given as VDPB equal to 2.5 times KB dt Fu divided by gamma M. So gamma MB. So here KB is least of it is given in IS 800, E by 3D naught, P by 3D naught minus 0.25, third one FUB by FU, and fourth one 1. So the value of KB, the coefficient is lesser of these 4. So here E refers to edge distance, P refers to pitch distance, D naught is the diameter of hole. So E, that is edge distance, we will take 1.5 times or 1.7 times of diameter or 1.5 times the diameter of hole, that is say 30 mm. Let us take it as 35 mm. Pitch distance 2.5 times of D, which comes somewhere around 45 mm. Let us take it as 50 mm. So substituting these all values, we will get KB, value of KB as 0.51. So value of KB is 0.51, D is 18 mm, T is 10 mm, that is thickness in bearing. Substituting these all values, we will get the value of VDPB, which is 73.4 kilonewton. So this is the strength in bearing. So therefore bolt value is lesser of shear strength or bearing strength. So we need to consider the lesser one, that is therefore bolt value will be 73.4 kilonewton. So therefore we need to find the number of bolts. So one bolt will take a load of 73.4 kilonewton. So for 300 kilonewton we require 73.4. We require a 4.08. So let us provide 5 numbers. So 5 numbers of bolts are required to carry 300 kilonewton of load safely. So this is how the design of a compression member for a double angle is done. So if you have any doubts, you can comment it in Google Classroom or here in YouTube, or you can WhatsApp me. For any doubts, do contact.